Horizon line. Line where land meets the sky.
Greetings, it's Mr. B. I am here to help talk to you about two terms, horizon line and rule of thirds. Now, for the youngers out there, horizon line is what I'd like you to try to focus on. Horizon line is a line in a picture where the land meets the sky. That's the horizon line. And what I'm going to do is show you some paintings of just some paintings that I made, and I wanted to show you the different parts of the horizon line. So here's one. I'm going to bring this a little closer because I know it's hard to see. I painted this one of something called Sugarloaf. That's in Winona. But do you notice where the land is meeting the sky on here? It makes a line across the painting. And some things are closer, like Sugarloaf is closer, and some things are further away, like the Bluff there. But it is still the horizon line. That's where the land is meeting the sky. And a lot of artwork has horizon lines. Now the Mr. B drawing challenge that I talked to you guys about, I gave you that video of all of those different pictures. The Mr. B pause and draw, so you can pause and draw with your paws. The pause and draw thing is you can use this horizon line in the pause and draw big time. Every one of those has horizon line in it. I did that to help you with this. I'll show you a couple more different pictures, and then I'll move on to rule of thirds. So here's a picture of a winter bluff. Do you see where the land is meeting the sky? You see it right there? Going across the top. That's a horizon line. And this one's actually got other different lines in it that break it up too. But those are about grounds, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. This one's a little different. This one of a waterfall. If you look, you're probably going to wonder, where's the land meeting the sky, Mr. B? Well, the answer is you don't see it. But even still, if you look way up here, there's a horizon line going across the top. Here's another one. Cranberry bog. Notice where the land is meeting the sky? That's a horizon line. When you're drawing, practice drawing something with the horizon line first. That will make it a good way to practice. If you see those Mr. B pause and draw challenge and you're thinking to yourself, whoa, those are really hard, Mr. B. Well, try to think of it as just doing a horizon line and making something simple. Just remember, it's not about it being too hard, just do your best. It's supposed to be kind of fun. I think it's fun. So that's a horizon line talk. You want to see some more? This one's kind of fun. I painted this on a bluff during an eclipse. You see Granddad's bluff right there? I even painted Emerson in there if you want to pause and look at that one. But look where the land is meeting the sky. But look here. We got the bluff going closer. But that's still a horizon line, kids. Doo-doo-doo. Alright. Maybe one more? Two more? Want to see some more? This is one of Broken Arrow Slough. Painted that on my boat one time. Look at this. We got this big old tree in the way, but look, that's still part of the horizon line because that's where the land is meeting the sky. It just goes a little closer. And if you look here, it gets a little further away. Well, maybe one more. And then I'll show you rule of thirds here. Here's the last one. Painted this one on Lake Superior. A little bigger. But way back here, see that? That's the horizon line, friends. Practice drawing horizon lines. It's a really good way to get better at making art. Practice it and have some fun out there. Stay safe. Bye.